Hulog talaga lahat. Ang dulas pa naman niyang napatungan. Kailangan may oras talaga yan pag nakikita niya nandyan. Gambahan niya. Minsan kahit nag-iisa lang ako, natatawa lang ako nito po. Sana to eh. Ito yung libangan namin. Baba muna ako, ate ko. Sige, prepare lang ako sa pagkain ko na tumi. Sige, ganda. Salamat, ganda. Pagdalaw mo. DSHN Vlog, thank you. Yeah, my cat is beautiful. Nice. Mapin, don't catch. Come here. Mapin, come. Come, Mapin, come. Yeah. I just only 1, 2, 3, 4 my planting inside my home. I have a plant, snake plant. Just only little. I do sometime plant if I'm feel bored. I come there. I make plant. Uy, naughty one. Ikaw, naughty one ka, ha? Why you not sleep? Ha? Why you not sleep, ha? You catching the bird? Don't catch the bird. That's your friend. Cute. Thank you. That's your friend. Don't catch the bird, okay? Yala, go sleep na. Go sleep na, baby na yan. Where the bird? No more. No more eating the bird. No more eating bird. Sleep na ikaw. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? No more bird. No more bird. No more bird, oh. No more. Go sleep na, go sleep. Yala. Yala, Mapin, go sleep na. Laki ng mata ng aming pusa, oh. Yan, ang aming pusang makulit. Ang pusang makulit, ang pusang makulit. Meow, meow, meow. Ang makulit na pusa yan. Makulit ikaw, Meng. Mapin, are you naughty? Ha? Are you naughty, Mapin? Say hi. Hello, everyone. Good morning. Thank you for coming to my live. I'm naughty cat. See, I'm looking the bird and then I catching. Just sleep naman. Just sleep yung baby namin yan. Ay, buing. Baby namin yan. Baby namin yan. Ganun pala yun.